Hello everyone, Mrs. Mobile Detailing. Today we have an RV. We are going to do some oxidation removal and then just apply a layer of wax, synthetic sealant, to make sure that we get protected and avoid oxidation in the future. So we're just gonna show you the process that we use. We're not gonna use wet sanding. It's gonna be strictly wool pad and a polishing pad. So it's gonna be a two-step process. So we'll show you what we do. So let's get started.
The first pass, we use a medium cutting wool pad with a medium compound that has polished properties. The product name is Chop Top by Shine Supply. And I like this product just because it's really easy to use and it yields really good results. Then for the second pass, we used a rotary tool as well with a medium foam pad. What are we doing here is just removing the tiny scratches that the last buffing left behind, since it was a more aggressive cutting. And this also polishes and leaves a protection behind the gel coat once you wipe down, and it just bonds with the gel coat, and like I said, it adds protection to it.
So there you have it, all buffed, all nice, good reflection. All around, that's the back. It was really hard to reach here, so we did by hand what we could, but looks great.
Before ending the video, I want to show you where I get this stuff from. This is the website right here on top, detailsupply.com. So you go to compounds and polishes. We use this sometimes for heavier cutting. We didn't use it for this video. We use the Chop Top, which is a medium cutting compound with polishing properties. You're gonna see the description of it down here at the bottom, and if you keep scrolling down, it's gonna give you more information. These are the pads that we get to from here, from this website as well. Then let's see, they have the pads right here. So we use this white one for heavy cutting, and then we use this yellow one for medium cutting, which we didn't do heavy cutting, we just did medium cutting. And then we use this Lake Country force rotation pad to do the polishing. That's the kind of polisher we usually use right there. It's just a different brand. The brand is Flex. Or we also use like a big pad for the rotary, and just to polish, it does the same job. Also, here is the wake up, the polishing and protection to the RV that we use as a second step. Like I said, this says some directions right there, and we applied that with this foam pad right here.
That's it on today's video. There's the one that we finished. We'll start on this one, so we're gonna stop the video here. If you have any other questions, please let me know down in the comments below. If you like the video, please subscribe and like, share with your friends. But that's it. We'll see you on the next video.